गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। डीएवी कॉलेज की ई लर्निंग क्लासेज में आपका स्वागत है। आज जो अपने टॉपिक पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग की फर्स्ट यूनिट से आता है। सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग का फर्स्ट टॉपिक है, पहले तो सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होता है। सॉफ्टवेयर व्हाट इज सॉफ्टवेयर? First we discuss the software process practices. Software is set of programs. Okay, we can say that software is set of programs and set of instruction make program. Set of instruction make a programs and set of programs make software. So in software engineering we discuss how to decide software. Then first term is software definition. We can say that software is definition of software. We can define software is an collection of computer program procedures and rules and data. We can say that the software is collection of computer programs, procedures, set of rules and data. Okay, and then characteristics of software is up first topic of your syllabus. First unit is characteristics of software. Characteristics of software divided into 6 major categories. We can divide software categories in 6 components. The components six major component categories, software categories according to 6 component. First component is functional, या आप इसे बोल सकते हो फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर। फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट है द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर। देन 6 मेजर कंपोनेंट ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट इज फंक्शनैलिटी. सेकंड कंपोनेंट पोर्टेबिलिटी. या पोर्टेबिलिटीज, पोर्टेबिलिटी। सेकंड एफिशिएंसी, थर्ड efficiency, usability, maintainability, reliability, these are 6 components as per decided by ISO, International Standard Organization, which decide the international standard of communication and computer related detail. Even also certified by Electronic Council. These components are described. These 6 components individually described. How to describe? First term we use functionality. How functionality can define? How functionality can define? It refers to degree of performance of software. It can degree of performance of software against its intended purpose. Functionality is क्या? Functionality is degree of performance. It is degree of performance. For which of software? It is degree of performance of software for its required purpose. Functionality can achieved by following terms. First term suitability. Suitability. It means your software suitable terms is used in this. Second term accuracy. Your software will be accurate. Interportability. Must be interportable. And compliance. Must be compliance in software. And security. These are terms for software functionality. It means software must be proper functional in mode if suitability, accuracy, interportability, compliance and security features are performed. This is first major component, and second major component is reliability. Right. second major component is reliability. Reliability is set of attributes that bear on capability of software. For which purpose? To maintain its level of performance. It means reliability can be achieved for some components, parts which are your software must be recoverable. Second, it can be fault tolerance. And maturity of your software is needed for reliability component in software characteristics. And third term, we can say third component of software characteristics is efficiency. Efficiency refers to ability of software to use system resources in most effective and efficient manner. Efficiency can be achieved by some terms like your software work in time and in resources. It means your software working on time and resources which are decided to use are already in working. Then third term, this term is third term component is used to software characteristics. Fourth term, we can say fourth component is usability. Usability refers to extent to which software can be used with essay, the amount of effort or time. usability can be achieved by terms understandability, first term, learnability, and operability. It means usability can be achieved by three terms. Understandability, your software must be understandable होना, and learnability, used for learning process. Next one is maintainability, which is fifth term used for software characteristics. Fifth term is maintainability, refers to assay with which the modification can be made in software system to extend its functionality. It can be used, maintainability can be achieved by terms. Terms are testability, stability of your software, changeability, operability. These terms are used for maintainability characteristics. And sixth and last term, portability, it is a set of attribute that bear on the ability of software to be transferred from one environment to another without changing. Else minor changes can be achieved for portability feature. It can be component used for this purpose. Adaptability, it means your software must be adaptable. Installability, installable हो. Replacement feature, must be in your software practices. These are 6 characteristics of software are used to achieve a good software. It means these 6 components or used to achieve a good software, procedural language, and software that are using these practices are more convenient in user friendly. We can discuss in next class next topic. Thank you.